We're just going to do a little bit of a test stream here. See, so we're trying to get this set up under Linux. See what I can find out here, because apparently I have no idea what I'm doing. So we got my stream going here. Let's, if we go into that, okay, we got the two channels here. Okay, they're both streaming, yep. Titles, channels, you can see, yep, you can see my desktop here. How do I get, oh, there's the chat. Oh, so now how do I embed this? It's got to be, oh, embed chat, here we go. Embed chat, copy this link in your stream software like OBS. So if we copy this, embed chat from this stream setup, copy comments from all channels at once. Okay, so if we do this, we get this link here. Obviously I'm not showing the whole link because you guys don't need to see my token. And we'll come over here into my OBS software and we will add a, what do we add? Do we add a browser? What does it say? To display chat as a stream overlay. Okay, so, yep. So I need to add an overlay. That's what it is. Okay, so if I add screen capture, scene, no, group. Shit. How do I add an overlay? Well, let's take a look. Tab. Still on use overlays. Okay, it's not use a video. Add it as a source. Image, media for video, or browser for web-based. Okay, so this is going to be a browser. So down here in OBS, if I add the browser, so if I add browser, okay, and then I add the link, which again, not showing, but if I put that in there, we'll say okay. Well, it's there, but it's not. Yeah, I don't want it to be that's not right. So let's remove that. Yes, I need a doc. So if I do this as a custom doc, okay. So hang on, let's see if I can bring this over here quick. Get my file doc. Okay, so if we go to full height doc, stats, lock docs, reset docs. Can we do a custom doc? What can I import? No, that's not what we want. Profile. Tools, plugin manager, output timer, scripts, WebSocket server settings. Oops, no, I did not mean to click on join Discord server. Not that I don't want to, but don't need to at this particular moment in time. Don't need the folders, settings, what else we got in here? Output. Nope. How to add a chat. Okay, maybe okay, hang on. How to add docs, custom browser docs. Okay, so hang on. So to add a custom doc, use the built-in docs custom browser docs. So if I go to docs, oh no, I don't see it. Oh no, it's not there. What's going on here? Got to be a way to do something. Hang on. Add scene, grid mode. That's not source. Yeah, I don't know. It's been a while. There's a lot of options. Let's see here. I know it looks really weird seeing all my stuff in like this infinite loop, but hang on. That's a scene. I don't need a scene. If I do a new capture device. See, I don't want a browser source because that's going to stick it inside my window. Like, I don't need the rest of the world seeing all the... I mean, they can look at the chats from the respective sources, you know. I'm out here on YouTube and Twitch, you know, right now, and that's fine. But, I don't need... No, that's audio settings, which is fine. There's lots happening today, so I apologize if my focus is not 100%. Let's see here. What am I missing? Let's... See, I don't have... Let's change this. Let's see what Linux has, because that's... Open your browser. Docs, like custom browser docs. Yeah, it's not there though. That's the thing. Yeah, it's really weird. Okay. Configure new doc. Yeah, so why is that option not there? That's what I'm not understanding. I mean, and I'm not running... Oops. I don't think I'm running a super old... I'm not running an old version of... let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's not... I'm current. Let's see here. Tools... Scripts? Do I need a script? Docs. Why am I missing custom docs? Reset UI. Well, I go to grid. What does that do? Anything? I mean, I can drag these around however I want, I guess. Nope. Undo. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, I see. So the scene, okay. Sources, scenes, nope. Let's put that right in the middle there. Actually bring sources right back where it belongs. Just kind of neat that this can be a tabbed interface, but I don't need audio. Streams, that just takes me here. And I don't think there's anything in the advanced. Video, audio, nope. Appearance. Preview, importers. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely want that. What does studio mode do? Let's do that. Okay. That's more of a. Yeah, I don't think that's what we want. I think it's funny. It tells you your CPU utilization, but not your RAM. And for me, RAM is sort of at a premium at the moment. So we got issues there. But yeah, that's what I'm missing. That's that is exactly what I'm missing. Advanced audio properties, no. Reset docs. Okay, so I reset the docs, but it didn't do anything. Yeah, I don't need this. Frames missed due to rendering lag. Okay. Disk space available. Memory usage. Oh, hey, look at that. I'm using a gig of RAM just to do the stream. Cool. Yeah, we'll stuff that in there. Live, not recording, that's fine. Memory usage. Not really using disk space because I'm not storing anything locally. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird. We're definitely missing some stuff. If we go back to chat doc. Yeah, okay, here we go. What are we missing? Yep, okay, so that's only for Ubuntu. What in the actual, yeah. I don't care about the Twitch, I just want a custom dock. Let's see if we can find something for NixOS. But it's not there. Oh, I have to use the flat pack version. Really? Really? It's gonna make me get the flat pack? Ugh. Okay, so if we go under my services.nix, here we go. Flat packs. let's snag the flat pack version. Go back over here. Let's figure out what that is. So if we go to flat, oops. Not really the way I want to do things, but hey. OBS Studio. And I need OBS Project Studio. So copy that back into my config. Just do that, and then we will rebuild. So we'll come over here, and we should get that. And let me tell my buddy here. This might take a little bit. Installing the flat pack isn't hard, but it has to make sure that my config is correct and all that stuff. This is why rebuilds take a little bit longer on NixOS. No big deal. Alright, okay, so that was easy. Flat pack, managed install. Yep, okay, so. And so, how do we tell the difference for what we got? So let's pull these out of the way. OBS Studio. So, should launch a different one. Yeah, let's launch anyways. We'll run it in normal mode. We'll get a second version up here. Okay, so we got the stocks. Nope, that's not the correct one. I might have to, okay. I think I know what's happening. I might have to remove my existing setup here. System.nix. Yeah, we'll just comment this out for now. Go back into my terminal. And we will rebuild. I guess I could do this here too. So if I go to gaming, launch party, hang on, share my screen out. Let's go to Discord. Go to general, and we'll share screen. Scepter. There we go. Okay. So I should have chat somewhere in here, right? Maybe. Oh, there's the chat. so that's building. Just needed to give it a sec. While that's doing its thing. It's hilarious. I can stream Discord at 1440p at 60, but Twitch, whole different ordeal. Oh, sure, we'll do, Hey, there he is.
Hello.
So, yeah, I had to, I'm testing some stuff, and I may end up killing the OBS stream that I got going on here. But basically, from what I read, I have to get the, was that here? I forget where it was. So like, here's my my restream portal. So like, I have the chats here. So if you were to chat with me on Twitch or YouTube, I would see it here. But then I can go to embed, right? I can embed this. That's the entire stream. Hang on, I just want to embed the chat. So I can embed the chat, copy my link here, but for whatever reason in OBS, it's under docs. There should be a custom doc setting here. Do you have that?
No.
Okay. So what it's telling me is I needed to get the flat pack, so that's what I'm doing now. That's what's building here. Okay, so there we go. I just removed a regular version, so I'm going to close. Actually,